Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? This time, my brother, the Dogecoin is completely on the profit and definitely, my friend, from last 1 month, my brother, you can see here 17.69% they will profit, but in last 24 hours, the prices fails down. And as you can see here in last 7 days, they also 23.49% profit. So I think absolutely they will recover just in only in one day. The all those now. Exactly, my friend. This time the price is very cheap now. You 0.251751 USD dollar as the my friend. This time Dogecoin price now, and the price is very cheap now. So if you have any plan to invest more, buy it, and absolutely, my friend, it's a good chance so you will get a profit now. Definitely, my friend, because in those days the price is very cheap now. So if you have any plan to invest more, buy more. So I think this is good chance, my brother, so you will get a profit now. Please don't miss this chance. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time Dogecoin will give you a profit, or if we dedicate this coin so we will better understand. But kindly, if you are new my channel, just only subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. And this time, as you can see, my brother, the price chart is absolutely show you, my brothers, to upcoming time. After a fail, every coin, my friend, will wake up. So therefore, after a jump up, also they will fail us down. So this time, as you can see, after this huge jump, they will fail us down. But again, the arrows is moving in upward now. So that's clear, my brothers, to upcoming time Dogecoin price. There is 100% chance, my brother, to Dogecoin price will starting increasing now. And this is possible, my brother, if a holder are stop selling and they were starting holding now. So what's your opinion? My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Just in only you need to share it in a comment box, and please hold it, don't sell it in those days, because I am 100% sure to in upcoming time they will give you a double price now. So please don't miss this chance. 0.2 USD dollar, it's a very cheap price. I hope they will hit now half USD dollar just in only in upcoming 10 days now. And at the end of month, I hope they will give you 0.7 USD dollar to 1 USD dollar. If they will get just in all, my friends, 20% profit. So this is all possible, otherwise this all is impossible now. Thanks for watching Dogecoin holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.